Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a great Sunday. I'm going to start out the day by making some breakfast for me and the wife before she has to go to work. So we're going to start out with some ugly bacon in the Lancaster number 8. Hey guys, well, to go along with the bacon, I'm going to take in, these are leftover fries my daughter didn't eat yesterday. So I've chopped those up in little pieces. I'm going to mix that with the eggs. When I cook the eggs with the bacon, everything should be great to either do a bowl or a burrito. Alright guys, I've pulled out some of the bigger pieces of bacon, just leaving the smaller ones, and then I'm going to take and pour this in. And now we'll let it cook for a second and we'll stir it up some, and it should turn out pretty dang good. Alright guys, everything turned out great, and as soon as the wife's ready, me and her will have some breakfast and then we'll start our Sunday.